This is Tahveer Yusuf here. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. And today, as you can see on the whiteboard, I have chosen the topic that's fraction. We will first understand what is the fraction. And then we have different kinds of the fraction like proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fractions, and mixed fractions. Then we will do the subtraction, addition, multiplication, and the division of the fractions. This is most important topic because in every topic, once you will do the calculation, you will have there the fraction. In algebra, you will have the fractions. Everywhere you can see once you are if you are calculating the area, if you are calculating some other thing, if you will see the trigonometry, if you will see the shape and space everywhere. So this is most important that everyone should understand the basic concept of the fraction. Even in other subjects you have to do the calculation and there you will have the fractions. So how to do addition, subtraction, like arithmetic operations, all arithmetic operations in the fractions that you need to understand. So let's start with the fraction. What is the definition of the fraction? The fraction is defined as a part of a whole. Is defined as a part of a whole. This is the basic thing. What does it mean, part of a whole? For example, I have here the box. And in box, this is square shaped. And you can see here, there are 4 equal parts. This part. This is the shaded part. How many are total? There are 4 equal parts. So I can write here how to represent this shaded part. I can write 1 by 4 is the shaded part. So this is the part of a whole. This shaded portion is actually the part of a whole. And one more example I will give you. I have the circle here and I will divide it into 2 equal parts first. Now you can see each part is 1 by 2. What does that mean? Half of the. This is the half circle. So this is the fraction. This is part of the whole. And one more, if I will draw one more diameter here, this is the center. So this has been divided into 4 equal parts. If I will shade this portion and I'm asking you, tell me the part, how to write the other parts, unshaded parts. You can see it is 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4. So I can say this is the part of a whole. So simply what I will say, the fractions is simply the part of a whole. When whole is cut it down into different parts, we can say it is a part of a whole. For example, we have the cakes, birthday cakes, we are celebrating the birthdays, and if we have the parties, we are celebrating something, some party. So there we have the cakes, and for example, cake is like this. So what we are doing, we are first taking the part of this. This part of the whole cake is called the fraction. So you should understand this is the fraction. Now how to write a fraction? How to write a fraction? In fraction, always we will have the numerator and denominator. Those who are well aware of these things, they can move forward this video. Now those who don't know, they can understand, they can learn here. You can see we have the numerator and the denominator in the fraction. What is that? If I am writing 1 by 4, this 1 is the numerator and this 4 is the denominator. And here this 1 is the numerator, this is the denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator. Now you can see here 1 by 4 is here. I can also write this 1 divided by 4. You can see 3 by 4 is here. I can also write 3 divided by 4. So fraction we can also write like this. So here you need to understand numerator and the denominator. The above, which is written above on this line, that's the numerator, and which is written down, that's the denominator. Now we can see here sometimes we have different numbers. If I will write 1 divided by 0, is this a fraction? No, this is not a fraction. Why? Because in any number, if we have denominator 0, the number is not defined. That means its value is not defined. We cannot write any value for this. So the 0 should not be there. You should understand. A simple fraction is 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is 1. 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 1 divided by is a number in the form of a by b, where a is the numerator and b is the denominator, where a, b are integers and b should not be equal to 0. This is the simple definition of the fraction. You can see from the definition here, the number in the form of a and b, both should be the integers. I hope that you have the idea of the integers. You have gone through the number line. In the number line we are writing here 0. On the right side we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the left side we are writing -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So these numbers are integers. So in integers we have the counting numbers and their negatives. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and their negatives, -1, -2, -3, -4 including 0. They are the integers. This is a group of numbers, a set of numbers which are known as integers. So you can see here a number in the form of a by b, where a and b should be the integers and b should not be equal to 0. That's if it's 1 by 0 that I have discussed before. It should not be 1 by 0 because this number is not defined. So a simple fraction can be -1 by 2, -4 by 3, -6 by 7, -8 by 2, or simply it's like 8 by 9. Now we will see the different types of the fraction. Types of fraction. You can see the different types of the fraction. The first one is the proper fraction. Proper fraction means if in a fraction numerator is less than denominator. That means numerator should be less than denominator, then that fraction is called a proper fraction. For example, 1 by 2. Here you can see numerator is less than denominator. So this is called the proper fraction. If I will write 2 by 3, this is the proper fraction. Why? Numerator is less than denominator. Or I can say denominator should be greater than numerator. That's called the proper fraction. And one more we have, that is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is that? It is the fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator or denominator is less than numerator. I will give you the example like 3 by 2. Here you can see numerator is greater than denominator. This is called the improper fraction. For example, 99 divided by 17. This is called the improper fraction. Why? Here the numerator is greater than denominator and denominator is less than the numerator. Only these things you should understand. Numerator less than denominator, then it's proper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper fraction. Now you can see improper fraction can be written as the mixed fraction. There is one more type, that is mixed fraction. This is also known as mixed number. Mixed fraction or mixed number. In the mixed fraction we have two parts. How many parts? Two parts. One is whole and second one is fraction. That's fractional part. Whole and fractional part. How you can see, you have seen these numbers 1 mixed 1 by 3. Here this 1 is the whole and 1 by 3 is the fractional part. This makes the mixed fraction. And you can see here 3 mixed 4 divided by 7. This is the mixed number or mixed fraction. Why? This is the whole, 3 is the whole and 4 by 7 is the fractional part. You can see we can also read it as 1 and 1 by 3, 3 and 4 by 7. This is actually the mixed number. Now you can see here every mixed number can be converted to improper fraction. And every improper fraction can be converted to mixed number. How? You can see there is a perfect rule. I think you all know how to convert the improper fraction as mixed number or mixed number to improper fraction. You can see if I will take the example of one mixed 1 by 3. 1 mixed 1 by 3. How to write this? 3 into 2. In denominator there is 3. Then 3 should be multiplied to 1. 3 into 1. Then this numerator should be added. That's plus 1. 3 ones are 3 plus, that's 4 by 3. Now you can see this is the mixed fraction and we have converted this improper fraction. Now second one is 3 mixed 4 by 7. How to convert this improper fraction? 7 in the denominator there is the 7. We should write first the 7. Then 7 threes are, that's 7 into 3 plus 4. This numerator should be added. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 4, that's 25 divided by 7. I think you all have gone through these concepts. These are very simple concepts, and in your previous classes, in lower classes, you might have learned these concepts, how to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now we have another types of fractions on the base of denominator. If we have the same denominator, then what that represents? If we have different denominators, then what that reflects and what we can see here. Now if we have a 2 fraction, 1 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, and one more fraction, 5 divided by 3, 7 divided by 3. In these fractions you can see the denominators are same. Here it is 2, here it is 2. What does that mean? I can say these are like fractions. So in like fractions we have same denominators. So this is also the like fraction. If I have 1 by 2, 3 by 7, you can see here the denominator, there are different denominators. So these are what? These are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Why they are unlike fractions? Because their denominators are different. I can say different denominators. So these are the unlike fractions. Do the addition of first one, like, here I will write like fractions. How to do the addition of like fractions? If I have 3 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 7, these are the like fractions. It's very easy. What is the rule to add the fractions? Here I can write the denominator is same, so I will write the denominator only once, that is 7. Then I will add 3 plus 1, it is equal to 4 divided by 7. So you can see here we are only adding the numerators. Denominator, when denominator is same, then we are writing here the denominator, then adding the numerators. That's 3 plus 1, it is 4 divided by 7. If I have 5 divided by 13 plus 3 divided by 13. So what is it? It's 5 plus 3 divided by 13. Here I will write 13 first, then I will add 5 plus 3. It's 8 divided by 13. So you can see how to do the addition of the like fractions. How we are doing the addition of the like fractions. Here one more example. I will 101 divided by 99 plus 1 divided by 99. You can see it is 101 plus 1 whole divided by 99. It's 102 divided by 99. So these are the like fractions. It is very simple to add the like fractions. How we are adding the like fractions? Only what we are doing here, we are adding only numerators, and we are adding the same denominator as it is, as on its own place we are writing it. Okay, is that clear? I think there is no doubt now. And similarly, if we have the subtraction, subtraction of like fractions, how we are doing the subtraction of like fractions? Same way. If I have 3 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 7, I will write here the 7, then 3 minus 1, it is 2 divided by 7. Answer. Here I have 5 divided by 13 plus 3 divided by 13, then it is 5 minus 3 divided by 13, that is 2 divided by 13. So it is about the like fractions. You can understand. Here I need to make you understand here. If it is like 3 divided by 13 minus 5 divided by 13, I should write here 13 in the denominator, 3 minus 5. You can see here 3 minus 5, we have to do here the subtraction, it's 2, but since the greater number has the minus sign, you can see here this minus is along with the 5, and 5 is the greater number, so I should write here minus 2 divided by 13. You should keep watch on these things. Minus, whenever we have the minus, always check that whether it is along with the greater number or the smaller number. If it is along with the greater number, then we have to do what? We have to do the subtraction. We have to do subtraction, and we have to write here the minus sign along with the answer. If this question is minus 3 by 13 minus 5 by 13, so how I will do? It's minus 3 minus 5 whole divided by 13. Since both are like terms, minus 3 minus 5, there is nothing in between, so I will do minus 8 divided by 13, because you know minus 3 minus 5, it is minus 8. For this I will explain here. If I have 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, if I have 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Why? Because this 2 is greater than 1 and this minus sign is along with 2. That's why I have to keep the minus sign here. And one more thing, if I have minus 1 minus 2, these are 2, these both are like terms, minus 1 and minus 2. There is no bracket, there is no multiplication, so I need to add both. 1 plus 2 is 3, but it is minus 3 because both are minus. If it is minus 1 plus 2, I need to do the subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1, but you can see here the sign with the bigger number is plus, so it is plus 1. Once more I will give you the example. If I have minus 2 plus 3, it is plus 1, because the bigger number has plus sign. If it is minus 2 minus 3, then it is minus 5. If it is 2 minus 3, then it is minus 1. You can see here from these examples. Understand and remember these things, why we are writing this minus 1, why we are writing here minus 3. You can see here it is 3 minus 5, it is minus 2. It is minus 3 minus 5, it's minus 8 divided by 13. In the questions you can see there, always understand whenever the question like this comes in your exercise, or you are doing such problem, such sum, such example, that time you should ask your teacher, you should tell your teacher doubt how to do there, what is the reason we are doing minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, how is this possible. You should be clear with these things. Now we will do the addition of unlike fractions. I will give you the example here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. How to do the addition of the unlike terms. You can see here denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. Now one more example I will give you, 7 by 8 plus 3 by 16. You can see here different denominators are there. Here it is 8, here it is 16. So these are unlike fractions. How to do this? How to carry out the addition? And similarly, if I will say the subtraction of unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Those having denominator difference. For example, I have same, I will write here 5 divided by 9 minus 2 divided by 3. How to do the subtraction? You can see here we have different denominators. What are these? These are unlike fractions. There is a proper method. We are doing the LCM. We are taking the LCM of denominators. The first point is we are taking the LCM of denominators. The second point is we are making denominators same. Then third is we are doing addition or subtraction between numerators only, because once we will make the denominator same, they will be the like fractions. Now you can see the first point, it is LCM of denominators. First we will learn what is this LCM. LCM, this term stands for lowest common multiple. Now you can see here, if I have here 8 and 16, what is the lowest common multiple here? I have a rule here, I have to do like this. 8 I will write here, 16 I will write here. First always I will start with the 2, I will do the division. 2 4s are 8, then 2 8s are 16. Once again I will do with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Once again I will do. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Once again I will do with 2. 2 1 is there, 2 1s are 2. You can see what I did. I put 8 comma 16. Then I started with the 2 division. 2 4s are, this 8 comes in the table of 2, yes. 2 4s are 8. This 16 comes in the table of 2. 2 8s are 16. Once again I did same procedure with the 2 till I got here 2 4. Then once again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Since this is one number, this is 2. If it is 1, leave it. We have to do with this 2 1 is there and 2 1s are 2. Now you can see 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. So LCM is 16. That is LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. What does that mean? Lowest common multiple. You can see here I will write the multiples of 8 first. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. This is just the explanation. You can see what are actually the multiples. Now I will write the multiples of 16. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and so on. You can see from both the tables. Here 16 comes, this is the multiple, this is here the multiple, this is here the multiple. You can see here 16 comes here, and here also 16 comes. So it is common. So the lowest common, that means the smallest multiple, smallest common multiple which is present in this table and in this table is 16. This is actually the LCM. Similarly, if I will see here the LCM of 2 and 3, you can see 2 3s are 6. 6 is the lowest common multiple here. So I will write LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. How? I will show you here. 2 3. If you know, then it is not necessary to write this, just to explain so that you can understand what is actually going on. First I will do with the 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 will be there because 3 does not come in the table of 2. Then I will do with the 3. 1 is there, 3 1s are 3. Then LCM is 2 into 3, which is called 6. Now you can see here the LCM is 6, here the LCM is 16. So what I will do, I can show you here. I know the LCM is here 2, between 2 and 3, LCM is 6. So what I will do, I will try to make the denominator 6. I will write 1 by 2. What is the number that is to be multiplied with 2 to get 3, to get C in 6? That is 2 into 3. I am multiplying here the 3. Why? Because I need here the 6. This I should multiply here above 3, same number, so that it will not affect upon the fraction. Plus 1 divided by 3. What number should we multiply to 3 to get 6? That is 2. This multiply should be multiplied in the numerator also. So I will 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6, plus 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. You can see now they are like fractions. I will write here 6, 3 plus 2, it is 5 divided by 6. This is the answer here. Now once more, it was 8 and 16. It was like 5 by 8 plus 3 by 16. You can see the LCM between 8 and 16 is 16. So I will write 5 divided by 2. What is the number that I will multiply to 8 so that I will get the 16, that is 2. This 2 I should multiply above also. Plus 3 by 16 is already there. There is no need to do anything. Some people will multiply 1. If you will multiply 1 above and down, that's not an issue, but it's also correct. 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16, plus 3 by 16. Now you can see here, these are now like fractions. So 10 plus 3 divided by 16, you will get 13 by 16. Now you can see the exercise 4 from number 1. It's page number 10 on your textbook. Page 10. Exercise 4. Here we have to do the addition and subtraction of the fractions. I will take the example, first example, I will take the fourth one. The fourth one is 11 by 20 minus 3 by 10. These are not the like fractions, these are unlike fractions. So first thing is, we will try to make the denominator same. How? First we will find the LCM of denominators. How to find the LCM of denominators? You can see I will write here 20, 10. Now I will start with the 2. 2 tens are 20. This 20 comes in the table of 2. 2 5s are 10. Then I will start again with 2. 2 5s are 10. This 10 comes in the table of 2. Then 5 is there, because 5 does not come in the table of 2. Then I will do with 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. You can see LCM is 2, 2s are 4, 5s are 20. So LCM is what? 20. So what I will do, I found the LCM of denominators, that is 20. Now what I will do, make denominator same. Here I have to make the denominator this 20, 11 by 20. There is no need to do anything with this because denominator is already 20 minus 3 divided by 10. What is the number that I will multiply with 10 so that I will get the 20? That is 2. I am multiplying here 2. Here I should also multiply the 2. You will get here 11 by 20 minus 3 2s are 6 by 20. It is, now they are like terms here, like fractions. 20, it's 11 minus 6. Addition or subtraction between numerators only. Now if there is addition or subtraction, we should do between numerators only. It is 5 divided by 20. Now check here the cancellation. Yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 1 by 4 is the answer of the question. Now you can see the next part, which question I will choose here. That is, I will choose here the sixth one. Sixth one, you can see here. What is that? That is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 minus, it is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Here they are unlike fractions, so I will find the LCM between 6 and 4. First I will do with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2, 3 is there because 3 does not come in the table of 2. 2 1s are 2. Then 3 1s are 3, 1. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 is the LCM. So I will make the denominator 12. That's 5 divided by 6. What number I will multiply here? That's 2. This number I will multiply here also, 2 minus 3 divided by 4. What number I will multiply to 4 so that I will get 12? That is 3. This 3 I will multiply above. That's 5 2s are, it's 10 divided by 12 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 3s are 12. Now they are like fractions. 10 minus 9 divided by 12 is equal to 1 divided by 12. This is the answer of this question. Now you can see the next one. What is the next one? Next one is seventh one. There are mixed numbers or mixed fractions. 3 mixed 1 by 4 plus 1 mixed 1 divided by 6. Now you can see 4 3s are 12 plus 1. It is 13 by 4. Plus 6 1s are 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 6. Now between 4 and 6, if you will find the LCM, it is 24. Find the LCM between 4 and 6, it will be 24. Now I will make the denominator 24. cut. Now I will find the LCM between 4 and 6. It will be 12. You can calculate it. You can use this method and you will get the 12. So I will write 13 by 4 into 3 plus 7 by 6 into 2 and into 2. You know why I am multiplying this 3, because I want here the 12. That's why I am multiplying here also 3. Here I am multiplying 2. That's why I am multiplying here also 2. That is 13 into 2, 3. That is 39 by 12. It's plus 7 2s are 14 by 12. Now you can see 12 is the common. I can write here 12 because they are like terms now, like fractions. It's 39 plus 14. What is that? 4, 9, it's 3. It's 53 by 12. This is the answer of the question. Now you can see the next one I will show you. That is 11th one I will show you. 11th one. What is that? 5 mixed 3 by 10. 5 mixed 3 by 10. Next is minus 2 mixed 11 by 20. First I will write the improper fractions. I will change mixed numbers to improper fraction. 10 5s are 50. It's 53 by 10. Minus it's 40. 22s are 40. 40 plus it's 51 by 20. Now you can see the LCM between 10 and 20. It will be 20. You can check it. So I will write 53 divided by 10 into 2 into 2. Why I am multiplying the 2? You know the reason, because I need here the 20, because 20 is here the LCM. You can use the method to find the LCM also. Minus 51 by 20. Here I don't need to do anything here, because here already it is 20. So 53 by 2 3s are 6. It's 106 divided by 20 minus 51 divided by 20. Now you can see 106 minus 51 divided by 20. That is 55 divided by 20. Now I can do here the cancellation. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 4s are. So 11 by 4 is the answer of this question. Now you can see here we can change this number into mixed fractions, because this is improper fraction. We can change this in the question. It's also written there, write as lowest terms or as mixed numbers when appropriate. So here when we will get the answer as improper fraction, we have to change it as mixed number. How? I will do division with 4 to the 12 to the this 11. 4 2s are it's 8. Here we will get 3. This is the remainder. So how I will write? I will write in denominator 4, and here I will write this quotient, that's 2, and in numerator I should write this remainder 3. This is the mixed number. 4 2s are 8, 3s are 12 divided by 4. This is the answer of the question. Now you can see the question number 13 from the same exercise. Question number 13. You will see it is Lai does 1/4 of her homework before dinner and a further 1/3 after dinner. So Lai does, she is a girl, Lai is a girl, 1/4 of her, 1/4 means 1 by 4. She does 1/4 of homework before dinner, and 1/3 of, 1/4 means 1 by 4, 1/3 of homework after dinner. Question is asking what fraction of our homework remains undone. We need to find how much, or we can say what fraction of our homework remains undone. You can see the question. First we will write its solution like this. First we will write the total homework done by Lai. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. You can do it. We can take the LCM here. LCM between 4 and 3 is 12. So I will write 1 divided by 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4 into 4. You can do here and find the LCM is 12. It is 3 divided by 12 plus 4 divided by 12, and you can see it is 7 divided by 12. So now you can see here how much homework is done by Lai. That is 7 by 12th part of her homework. Now how much remains undone? Homework that remains undone. How many parts are there? 12 parts are there. So out of 12, 7 parts have been done. So out of 12, 5 parts will remain. So I can write its answer. 12 parts, we have divided the homework, whole homework in 12 parts. That is 12 by 12 minus 7 by 12, which is equal to 5 divided by 12. So 5 divided by 12 is the fraction of our homework that remains undone. I will write here, finally I will write the answer. 5 divided by 12 part of her homework remains undone. So this is this question 13. Now you can see the question number 14. It's a chemical consists of 4 compounds. In a chemical there are how many compounds? 4 compounds, A, B, C and D. 1 by 6 is A, 2 by 5 is B, 1 by 10 is C and the rest is D. What fraction of the chemical is D? You can see A is given, B is given, C is given, D we need to find. So first we will add all the compounds. 4 compounds are there, 3 compounds are given. You can see the textbook, page number 10. Once again I am repeating. Exercise 4, question number 14. A chemical consists of 4 compounds, A, B, C and D. 1 by 6 is A, 2 by 5 is B, 1 by 10 is C and the rest is D. We need to find the D, the portion of the D, the fraction of the D. First I will add, it's 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. You can see denominators are not same. First I will find the LCM of the denominators. 6, 5, 10. I will start with the 2. 6 comes in the table of 2. 2 3s are 6. 5 does not come. I will write it 5. 10 comes. 2 5s are 10. Then I will start with 3. 3 1s are 3. If I will start here with 2, there is no number that comes in the table of 2. So I will write here 3 1s are. 5 does not come. I will write as it 5. Once again 5. 1. 5 1s are. 5 1s are. 2 3s are. 6 5s are. So 30 is the LCM. So I will make the denominator 30 for every number. 1 by 6. I will multiply 5. Here also 5. Plus 1 by 5 into 6 into 6. Plus 1 by 10 into 3 into 3. Now you can see why I am multiplying this 5 to get 30. That's why I have to multiply this 5 above. Here why I am multiplying 6. That's why I have to multiply this 6 above. Now 5 1s are 5 divided by 30 plus 6 by 30 plus 3 by 30. You can see here 5 plus 6 plus 3. It's 14 by 30. So now I can say here I will do the cancellation. It's 14 by 2 7 are 2 15 are. So 7 divided by 15. So I can say the contribution, I can say, or the compound is a mixture of 4 compounds is this chemical. The portion of A is this, portion of B is this, portion of C is this, and in collective cut. Now you can see here the answer is 7 by 15. So 7 by 15, out of the 15 parts, 7 parts are from 3 compounds. That's A, B and C. You can see we have divided the compound into 15 parts. Out of the 15 parts, 7 parts are from A, B and C. Now the remaining parts will be, it's obvious, it's common sense, remaining parts of the 15 from 15 will be the D's composition. Now you can see we will write the answer 15 by 15 minus 7 by 15. It is 8 by 15. So 8 parts out of 15 is the composition of T. So I can write answer 8 by 15 is D's cut. So this is the answer. 8 by 15 is the fraction of the chemical D. So this fraction 8 by 15 is fraction of D. This is the answer of the 14th question. Now exercise 4 star, I will do few questions from exercise 4 star also. You can see the same page number and exercise is 4 star. First I will do here the fifth one. I will do fifth one. Here are three fractions, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 9 by 20. I will find the LCM of 5, 10 and 20. You can see 5, 10, 20. Now start with the 2. 5 does not come in table of 2. 5 I will write as it is. 2 5s are 10. 2 10s are 20. Then once again with 2. 5 does not come. 5 does not come. Then 10 is 2 5s are 10. Then with the 5. 5 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4 5s are. So 20 is the LCM. Lowest common multiple of 3 numbers is 20. So I will make every denominator 20. 1 by 5 into 4 into 4 plus 3 by 10 into 2 into 2 plus 9 by 20. Here it is 20. We don't need any to do the multiplication here. It's 4 by 20 plus 6 by 20 plus 9 by 20. So it's totally 19 by 20. This is the answer of the question. Since this is proper fraction, we don't need to convert it because we cannot do it. Now see, next is the sixth one. Sixth one I will show you. Sixth one, it's 1 by 4 plus 3 by 20 minus 1 by 40. If you will check the LCM, LCM will be the 40. If you will check the LCM, check yourself. LCM will be the 40. So I will write 1 divided by 4 into 10 plus 3 divided by 20 into 2 minus 1 by 40. It's 2 here. That is 10 by 40 plus 6 by 40 minus 1 by 40. Here understand. Remember, LCM is 40. You can use the method and you will find 40. So 10 plus 6 is 16 by 40. First, these are the like terms. These are plus terms. We will add these the plus terms. Minus 1 by 40. That is 16 minus 1. That's 15 by 40. Now 5 3s are 5 8s are. So 3 by 8 is the answer of this question.